Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the same lesson, that is HCF and LCM, and in this video we are going to start with practice set 12. Okay, so the first question is find the HCF. So the first sum I have taken, it is 25 and 40. So now I will show you how to find the HCF of both the numbers together. If they give three numbers, then how to find those three numbers HCF together, that also I am going to teach you all. If you want to understand it quickly, you have to pay proper attention at the video. Okay, so now just pay attention on the screen what I am teaching so that you will understand quickly. Okay, now I am writing the sum as it is. The two numbers are 25 and 40. Okay, so here I have written the given numbers. Here I will write solution. Now children, before solving the sum, let us recall the prime numbers. Yeah, so I'll write few prime numbers starting with 2, next 3, 5, 7 and so on. Yes, so from 1 to 100 we are having 25 prime numbers. From that, few I have written here from the beginning. What are those? 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes, now what I will do, I will try to divide these numbers by any of the prime number. Now which prime number to use? See, we have to find HCF. Yes or no? What should we have to find? We have to find HCF. And when we have to find HCF, we have to see that both the numbers are divisible by same number. So first prime number is 2. Now just look at the given numbers. The given numbers are 25 and 40. At units place, we have the numbers 5 and 0. I'll write it down. 5 and 0. 25 has 5 at units place and 40 has 0 at units place. Now, this 5 and 0, are both these numbers divisible by 2? No, because 5 is not divisible by 2 because it doesn't come in 2's table. 0 is divisible but 5 is not divisible. So as both the numbers are not divisible by 2, we cannot use 2 here. Means 25 and 40 are not divisible by 2. Now 5 and 0 are also not divisible by 3. So 25 and 40 also are not divisible by 3. Now the next prime number 5. At units place we have 5 and 0. And test of divisibility of 5 is, if we have 5 and 0 at units place, then the numbers are divisible by 5. Thus, both the numbers are divisible by 5. What are those numbers? 25 and 40. Both are divisible by 5. So, the first prime number what we are going to use, that is 5. So, I'll write here 5. Now, 5, how much is 25? Do we have 25 in 5's table? Yes, 5 5s are. So, we'll write here 5 5s are 25. Do we have 40 in 5's table? Yes, that means 40 is also divisible by 5. 5 8s are 40. So both the numbers, which are those numbers? 25 and 40 are divisible by 5. Now see further, we have got now the two numbers, they are 5 and 8. So now we will check whether 5 and 8 are divisible by same number. Will 5 and 8 come in any prime numbers table? 8 will be divisible by 2, but 5 will not be divisible. So we can't use 2. We have to see that both these numbers 5 and 8 should be divisible by one number. If you will check, we don't have any number which can be divided by both of them. Okay, so we have to stop here. Understood? So what will be the HCF of 25 and 40? Yes, therefore we got the answer. Therefore, HCF of 25, 40 is 5. Okay, got the answer? So students, in your CW, just write this part. No need to write this rough work. Means whatever I explained, you know, this part no need to write. Just write down this. So now we'll start sum number 2, that is 56 and 32. I have written it and taken. Okay. Now once again we will write the prime numbers. I'll write here down. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Not 9, 11. Okay. So 7. After 7 we will have 11. Now just see. Now 11. Now 56 and 32. At units place of 56 we have 6 and 32s we have 2. So I'll just write those numbers and take 6 and 2. These two numbers are there at units place. Now, are these two numbers divisible by the first prime number 2? Yes, both of them come in 2's table. 2 3's are 6 and 2 1's are 2. As both of them are divisible by 2, these two numbers, that is 56 and 32, are also divisible by 2. Okay. So what we have to write here? Yes, first prime number what we'll write here, that is 2. Okay. So now I'll write here 2. Now 2 how much are 56? Those who know the tables can easily answer. But those who don't know, please pay attention. But you have to by heart the tables. Okay. Now 2's table you will search for 5. Will you get 5 in 2's table? No. But can you get a smaller number than that? Yes. What is that smaller number? 4. Yes or no? So 2 how much are 4? 2 2's are 4. So we will write here 2. But when you say 4, something is extra here. How much numbers are extra? 1. So see here what we will write. So here we will write 2 2's are 4. Okay. So I'll write here 2 2's are 4. 1 is remaining. I will write side to 6. It will become 16. Yeah. So 2 how much are 16? 2 8's are 16. Okay. So students, we have got the answer. 2 28's are 56. Okay. Now we will move on to the next number. What is the next number? 32. That is also divisible by 2. So we'll just write. First we will search 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, but we have a smaller number, that is 2 1's are 2. So we'll write there 2 1's are 2. Okay. So 2 1's are 2. So from 3 if we subtract 2, what will remain? Yes, 1 will remain. That 1 we will write side to this 2. When we write side to this 2, it becomes 12. And 12 is again divisible by 2. So 2 6's are 12. So now we have got other two numbers. They are 28 and 16. Now we will check whether these two numbers 28 and 16 are divisible by 2 or no. Now just see at the units place of 28, what do we have? 8, and of 16 we have 6. Yeah. So 8 and 6 are divisible by 2. That means 28 and 16 are also divisible by 2. So again we are going to write here 2 and we are going to divide. So now 2 we are going to divide by 28. So just look at this 2. Tens place. Is this 2 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 how much are? 2 1's are. Now is this 8 divisible by 2? Yes, 2 4s are. So we have to write here 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So the answer here will be 14. Yes, so 2 14s are 28. Now we will see the next number 16. Is 16 divisible by 2? Yes, you know it easily. What is that? 2 8s are 16. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 14s are 28, 2 8s are 16. Got it? Now we will search for 14 and 8. Is 14 and 8 divisible by 2? Yes, you all know the table of 2. You can easily tell it is divisible by 2 because 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. So we can write. So here we have got 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. Now we will search for 7 and 4 in one table. Can you get 7 and 4 in one table? No, because you can see here in the list of prime numbers, 7 is a prime number. So it will come only in 7's table and 1's table. But 4 you cannot get in 7's table. So here both the numbers are not divisible by one number. So we have to stop here. Okay. And thus we have got our HCF. What is that HCF? See here, whatever you can see this 2, no? 2's are 3 times, no? Then this will be the HCF. So see how we are going to write here, students. Therefore, HCF of 56, 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. Therefore, 8 is the HCF of 56 and 32. So now write down this sum. This down part, rough work, no need to do. Just write down this sum and take. So now we will solve sum number 3, that is 105 and 154. Okay. So we are going to write these two numbers side by side. And so I am writing a solution 105 and 154. Okay. Now we all know the prime numbers. I have written here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So children, you will draw the lines with scale. Don't draw like me, draw properly. So here are the list of prime numbers. We will look at our numbers first. What are our numbers? 105 and 154. At units place we have 5 and 4. Is 5 and 4 divisible by 2? No. 4 is divisible but 5 is not divisible. So we cannot use here 2. Now we'll go for our next prime number. What is that next prime number? It is 3. What is 3's divisibility? We have to add the digit. So the numbers are 105 and 154. Add the digit. 1 plus 0, 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Addition of the digit is 6 and 10 of both the numbers. 6 is divisible by 3, but 10 is not divisible by 3. So we cannot use 10 here. That is 3 here. Okay. So next number is 5. What is 5's divisibility? At units place you should have 0 and 5. But here you have 5 at 105. But 154 you don't have 0 or 5. So again it is not divisible by 5. Okay. So now we'll go on to the next number, that is 7. I will teach you 7's divisibility. Let us now check whether these two numbers are divisible by 7. I will explain you the test of divisibility of 7. Okay. So listen. So students, listen the test of divisibility of 7. What you have to do, whatever the given number for you all. For suppose now it is 105. Okay. It is a given number. Last digit of this number you will take. So what is the last digit? Yes, the last digit of this number is 5 and this last digit you will multiply by 2. When you multiply by 2, you will get some product that is equals to 5 2s are 10. Now whatever product you are getting, students, that product you will subtract from the rest of the number. Digit means the last digit means you will subtract from this 10. 10 minus this 10 will give us 0. Is 7 divisible by 0? Yes, 0 comes in every table. So 105 is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now we will take another number. What is our another number? 154. What is the last digit? Last digit is 4. Multiplied by 2. It will be equals to 4 2s are 8. Now leaving 4, which are the other digits which are remaining? They are 15. What is that number remaining? 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Is 7 divisible by 7? Yes, 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 154 is also divisible by 7. Got it? So, I think so in the previous video I have explained you test of divisibility of 7. Now, just I have recalled it. Okay? So, we have understood by this that 105 and 154, both the numbers are divisible by 7. So, we will write here 7. Now, this 1 will not be divisible by 7. So, we will search for 2-digit number, that is 10. Is 10 divisible by 7? No, but smaller number? Yes. What is that smaller number? 7. 7 ones are 7. So, from 10, if you will subtract 7, 3 remains. Yeah, that 3 you will write above 5. So, it becomes now 35. Is 35 divisible by 7? Yes, 35, 7 5s are 35. Okay, students, if you have by hearted the tables, you can easily write 7 15s are 105. Now, we will search for the next number. So, 1 will not be divisible by 7. But if you will take 15, then it is divisible by 7, smaller number than 15. What is that? 7 2s are 14. So, from 15, if you subtract 14, 1 will remain, that you will write above 4. So, it becomes 14. So, 7 2s are 14. Got it? So, here we have divided the numbers. 7 15s are 105 and 7 22s are 154. Okay? So, now we have 15 and 22. 15 comes in 3's table, 5's table, but 22 doesn't come in 3's and 5's table. Yes, 22 comes in 2's table, 11's table, but 15 will not come. So now both these numbers 15 and 22 doesn't come in one single table, means they are not divisible by a common number. So we have to stop here because we are finding HCF. Yes, HCF means what? Both the numbers should come in that particular table. Here you can see 105 and 154. Both 7 of them come in 7's table. So we have divided it. 15 and 22 both do not come in same number table. Yeah, so we have to stop here. So what we can write here? Therefore, HCF of 105 and 154 is equals to 7. Got it, students? So, this was the solution of sum number 3. So, students, in this video, we have studied how to solve sum number 1, 2 and 3. Yes or no? And today, you are going to write practice set 12. Find the HCF. First 3 sums I have explained you that you will look and solve properly in your CW. And now you can see on the screen the 4th sum and the 5th sum. 4th one is 16 and 27. 5th one is 56 and 57. These 2 sums you have to do as a homework. So in your CW, after watching this video, you will have practice set 12, question 1, these 5 sums. Okay. So do complete these 5 sums neatly in your CW. These 2 are your homework sums. And the remaining 3 I have explained to you all. Only this 2 you have to solve on your own. And first 3 you can listen in the video and solve. Okay. Thank you students. Do complete the CWs.